Hello everyone, welcome to the CWAPT, that is the Complete Web Application Penetration Testing Practical course. My name is Debande and I will be your instructor for the CWAPT course. Now, this course is designed for anyone who is interested in learning how an attacker attack and get the information from website by exploiting various vulnerabilities available. CWAPT is designed by keeping in mind that most of us are having laptops or computer machine to work for most of the time. And in a survey, we came up with the answer that most of the computer users are very much interested in learning how web application penetration. Legal environment. It also helps web developers better understand the processes of security of securing web applications, and teachers students also learn how they can teach the web application security in a safe environment. Alright, the aim of DVWA is to practice some of the most common vulnerabilities with various difficulty level. So we're gonna learn what is DVWA used for, and we'll use XAMPP and understand its working. So as the name suggests, DVWA has many web vulnerabilities. Every vulnerability has 4 different security levels: low, medium, high and impossible. The security levels gives a challenge to the attacker and also shows how each vulnerability can be countermeasured by secure coding. We'll cover command injection, file inclusion, file upload, various cross-site scripts. We will come across burp suit and much more. So every month we'll get regular updates in this DVWS section. So coming to our fourth section, we'll work with OWASP Mutualiday. So OWASP Mutualiday 2 is a free open source deliverably vulnerable web application providing a target for web security enthusiasts. It has over 40 vulnerabilities and challenges. It contains at least one vulnerability for each of the OWASP top 10, 2007, 10, 13 and 2017. So, from a variety of 40 vulnerabilities, first we're gonna cover SQL injection, SQL map, how to solve security level challenges. We'll learn how to scan web servers using Nikto, various XSS attacks. More importantly, we will learn the usage of Websuit Beef framework, which is very essential to understand and learn from website penetration tester perspective. And we have much more to cover in this section as well. So every month you'll get regular updates in this mutilated section as well. So coming to our next section, we have OWASP Juice Shop, which is probably the most modern and sophisticated insecure web application. It can be used in security trainings, awareness, demos, CTS, etc. So Juice Shop encompasses vulnerabilities from the entire OWASP top 10 along with many other security flaws found in real-world applications. Currently, we are having 6 levels in OWASP Juice Shop. We will start with level 1 and gradually increase our difficulty level. We're gonna cover missing encoding, error handling security, confidential document, how to extract sensitive data. We'll see how we can invade privacy policy, weird cryptographic issues and much more. So every month you will get regular updates in OWASP Juice Shop section as well. So by going through all these sections, you will be comfortable enough to understand web application penetration testing and how it's work. Okay, and with regular updates, you will be able to brush up your skills as well. Plus, you will have a bonus section as well, which will guide you through various upcoming courses, Instagram page and YouTube channel wherein you will get regular updates in the field of cybersecurity and travel and tourism across the globe. So all the sections will cover quizzes, assignments and reading materials. Also, all sections will be updated on a regular basis and new sections will also be added up. So once you are enrolled in the course, you will surely gonna learn various techniques how attackers attack and how we can save ourselves from getting attacked. Most importantly, this course is completely for educational purpose. All the attacks which an attacker perform are demonstrated to you so that you can understand the technology and the art behind it and you are not fooled by any kind of social engineering. This course is for educational and awareness purpose to make everyone aware and be safe and protect yourself from the data. It's a request. Please do not perform any illegal activities. Me, Debayande, is not responsible for any illegal activities you perform. So, welcome to the world of complete web application penetration testing practical course. Are you excited to learn 100% practical course and help your family, organization and company stay secure and safe from data theft and from hackers? Wish you all the best. Also, do follow our Instagram page and YouTube channel for regular updates. So let's see you in the course landing page.